Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today, we're stepping into the world of culinary innovation with the Breville Fast Slow Pro Multicooker. If you're someone who appreciates both slow-cooked tenderness and the magic of pressure cooking, you're in for a treat. Join me as we explore how this kitchen marvel can transform your cooking game. The Breville Fast Slow Pro is no ordinary kitchen appliance. It's a multi-cooker that seamlessly combines the art of pressure and slow cooking, all while adjusting time, temperature, and pressure for you. Say goodbye to the guesswork in your recipes. What sets this multi-cooker apart is its dual sensor precision. Sensors at the top and bottom monitor your ingredients, ensuring accurate temperature and pressure control. Plus, the hands-free steam release adjusts automatically, preserving flavors and textures like a pro chef. With the Breville Fast Slow Pro, you're not just getting a multi-cooker, you're getting a culinary wizard. It offers 11 pressure cook settings, along with customizable options for your favorite recipes. You can also choose between high and low slow cook settings, ranging from 2 to 12 hours. Worried about your meal getting cold after cooking? Don't be. The keep warm function kicks in automatically after cooking, ensuring your food is ready to serve when you are. No more rush to the table. Safety is paramount in the kitchen. The Breville Fast Slow Pro boasts a 3-way safety system, a locking lid, hands-free auto steam release, and a safety valve. The hands-free steam release keeps your hands safe from any unexpected steam bursts. Customize your cooking experience with ease using the interactive LCD screen. Choose from options like pressure cooker, slow cooker, sear, saute, and more. The color-changing LCD screen provides real-time updates on your cooking process. Nobody enjoys cleaning up a mess in the kitchen. The Breville Fast Slow Pro features a wide wraparound moat that catches condensation drips, ensuring a mess-free cleanup. Plus, the removable lid is dishwasher safe, making your life even easier. This multi-cooker comes with a treasure trove of accessories. You'll receive a stainless steamer basket for quick protein and veggie cooking, a stainless rack to elevate your food, and an appliance science recipe book with 41 inspiring recipes to kickstart your culinary journey. With a generous 6-quart capacity, this multi-cooker has you covered for family dinners or meal prepping. It's versatile, adaptable, and perfect for various culinary adventures. Stay in control with the full feedback LCD display. It keeps you informed about the cooking process, featuring a pressure indicator, temperature, countdown timer, and steam release indicator. With 8 pressure levels, you can fine-tune your cooking to perfection. In conclusion, the Breville Fast Slow Pro Multicooker is a culinary marvel that brings precision, versatility, and safety to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this appliance will elevate your cooking to new heights. Ready to take your culinary skills up a notch? Click the link below to make the Breville Fast Slow Pro Multicooker an indispensable part of your kitchen arsenal. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest kitchen innovations. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next cooking extravaganza.